Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you my experience how to solve a problem that coming from leetcode.com as a learner. So yeah, here we got a problem from leetcode.com, and the name of this problem is number of unique subject taught by each teacher. Basically, this problem is about sorting and grouping, and the type of these problems is easy. So if we look at this information that leetcode.com give to us, we got a table, and the name of the table is teacher. Inside the table there are three columns including teacher ID, subject ID, and the department ID. This table give us the information about each row in this table, which is teacher ID, the table teacher, indicates that the teacher with teacher ID teach the subject in the department. Then the question is, write a solution to calculate the number of unique subjects each teacher teach in the university, then return the result table in any order. So if we look at this complete view of the teacher table, there are two teachers who teach some subject in the department, and then the expected output that leetcode.com expect us to display is two columns, teacher ID and CNT. And the explanation of this output is that teacher 1 teach subject 2 in the department 3 and 4, and then subject 3 in the department 3. So we have to count or calculate the number of unique subject each teacher that teach in the university. Okay, let's write our query. The first thing that we have to do is we should see the whole complete view of the teacher table. Alright, here are the complete view of the teacher table, and then we have to display two columns, teacher ID and CNT. From the questions, we have to understand and we have to calculate the number of unique subjects. So because in this information tell us about the number of unique, so there will be a duplicate number inside the table teacher. And what we have to do, we should use the distinct in the subject ID column to avoid the duplicate number of the subject. So here we use count function and then this thing of the subject ID, and we rename it as a CNT. And then the last part or the last step is we have to group the result by the teacher ID. So if we run this, okay, accepted. So in our query, we select the teacher ID and the count distinct of the subject ID because we want to calculate the number of unique subjects of each teacher that teach in the university. And then we retrieve the data from the table teacher. Then we return the result. Then we group by the result by the teacher ID. If we submit, okay, accepted. Maybe that's it from me of my experience solving a problem of SQL that talking about sorting and grouping. I'm sorry if there is still any mistake because I'm still a learn SQL too. Okay, thank you, goodbye.